AutoCrate brings you the most powerful, luxurious, next-level automotive content with a bold vision to explore future cars in unmatched detail. The 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850 stands as a symbol of brute power fused with elite craftsmanship, redefining what a performance luxury SUV can be. This extraordinary machine takes the already impressive Mercedes GLS 63 AMG and elevates it into a completely different league thanks to Mansory's signature enhancements. From the moment it comes into view, the commanding presence grabs your attention with its redesigned carbon fiber elements, widened bodywork and aggressive aerodynamics that instantly declare its dominance on the road. The front fascia features a bolder bumper, sharper air intakes and a redesigned grille that enhances both cooling efficiency and the overall intimidating appearance, giving the SUV a ferocious personality that fits perfectly with its monstrous engine upgrade. Under the hood, the Mansory GLS 63 P850 hides a heavily tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that pushes out an astonishing 850 horsepower, transforming this luxury SUV into a performance beast capable of rivaling supercars. The power delivery is instant and thrilling, delivering explosive acceleration while maintaining the smoothness and refinement expected from a high-end Mercedes. With upgraded turbochargers, optimized EQ mapping and enhanced exhaust systems, the P850 offers not just raw speed but a thrilling soundtrack that makes every drive feel special. The power is managed through a refined all-wheel drive system and advanced performance suspension that keep the SUV stable, planted and confident even during high-speed maneuvers. Inside the cabin, Mansory has transformed the GLS 63 into an environment of pure exclusivity. Premium leather, carbon fiber inserts and custom stitching elevate the interior to bespoke levels. Every surface feels handcrafted, every detail screams luxury and every feature delivers comfort beyond expectations. The spacious seating, extended legroom and advanced ambient lighting create a first-class atmosphere for passengers. The massive infotainment screens, cutting-edge digital cockpit and upgraded sound system ensure an immersive technological experience that matches the SUV's performance capability. Mansory even offers unique customization options, allowing owners to personalize colors, materials and design patterns to perfectly reflect their individual taste. On the road, the 2026 Mansory GLS 63 P850 offers an unmatched driving experience. It combines its towering performance with surprising agility, giving the driver confidence whether cruising on highways or tackling dynamic roads. The aerodynamics package improves stability while the performance brakes ensure strong stopping power that matches the SUV's incredible acceleration. With the blend of luxury, technology and power, the P850 stands out as one of the most commanding SUVs available, designed for those who want nothing short of extraordinary. If you love powerful machines, futuristic features and in-depth automotive content, make sure to support the channel. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments and hit the subscribe button so you never miss any new uploads on AutoCrate.